Hey guys, welcome back here. Today we're going to be making a flush 2x2 piston door, completely concealed secret door. It's great for making secret rooms and stuff. It's also called the Jeb door, fun fact. So if we look at our inventory, we're going to be using 12 sticky pistons, 3 redstone torches, 28 redstone dust, 8 redstone repeaters, a lever, and blocks your choice. So go over here. Go like that, and one more high. And do the same thing 2 blocks to the right. There you go. That. Just like that. Now, go like that. Go like that. Hold on 1 minute. Here we are. That, just like so. Cover this top, just like that. And then I'll go like 3 redstone repeaters, and go like this. Make a little bridge here. Staircase. I'll go out 4 with this, and connect them, just like that. So now get out your repeaters. First we'll do this. Go like that, and like that. So now take out your repeaters. Over here, put on 4 ticks delay. Make sure it's on 4 ticks delay. Then go here. Be sure to put it on 4 ticks delay, like that, so it reaches the end. And then you're gonna, this one should be the opposite of that one, and throw that on 4 ticks delay. Go put redstone right down to there, and you're gonna fill this up, just like that. And this is where your level will be, right there. Just like that. Oh, I forgot. Put the redstone dust here, and it should work. It's not gonna totally work. I know, looks a little broken, but we're gonna fix it. Do like that. We're gonna go in here. Break out these. Break out that. Break out that. Break out that again. And we're gonna make a little bit of a trench here. Oh, sorry. Not there. Good, I did that. Right here, we'll make a trench. There we go, right there. We're gonna take some repeaters. You have to replace these torches right like so. These are gonna be on regular ticks, so don't change their ticks. Just like that. So over here. That, fill this all in, and cover it up. So I'm gonna go on front, and should work. There we go. Fill this all in, all of it in, and there you have it. Completely flush piston door 2x2. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.